Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. I really hope that you all are doing well. This video is divided into two parts. In the first one, we will extract a logo design idea for a travel agency. And the second part of this video is for the logo designers, especially beginners. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the first part. And first of all, we will continue with the client's brief. And the client says that the name of the business is O Travel. O Travel is a travel agency providing private tours to the customers with a private tour guide and also with private vehicles. The agency also arranges custom tours as per the customer needs. We are going to provide only local tours and not for foreign destinations. For the specialized foreign tours, we will help only in the booking of tickets. And for the logo design, we are looking something that focuses on the letter O, but we are also open to suggestions. And about the color scheme, we are leaning for the purples or something similar, solid or gradient. And now the major points that I extracted from this brief. First of all, it's the name of the business, which is O Travel. And the second one is their services as a travel agency, which is private tours and also custom tours. And the third one is that they are providing the tours only for the local destinations, not for the foreign ones. And the fourth important point is about the logo design, that the client focuses on the letter O. The fifth and the final point is about the colors. The client says that he is leaning towards the purples. Now by using these important points as the reference, we will continue with our mind mapping process. And for the mind mapping, we will write down the most important and relevant key points. In the first point, we will prefer the client's suggestion, which is letter O. And we can also use the combination of letter O and letter T. As the company is also providing the guide with the tours, so we can also use a guiding arrow. As a travel agency, one of the most important points is the destination. So to specify the destination, we can use a location pin, or you can also say a map pin. And for the foreign booking services, we can use an aeroplane. And if there is a night stay, we can use a camping tent or a campfire. And we can also use a tourist van, as the agency is also providing the tourist vehicles. And now to design our logo, I have decided to use the combination of initial letter O and a location pin. And after sketching different designs, this was the selected one. But this design is very basic. To make it more dynamic and functional, I simply add a little twist. And this was the finalized version. Now we are done with the first part of this video. And now let's step forward to the second part, which is for the logo designers, especially beginners. As we all know that practice makes a man perfect, and beginners are in dire need of that practice, especially with real life clients. To equip you with practical skills and knowledge, I derived a solution, which is a Facebook group. I created a Facebook group, Royal Designers, in which I will post the logo design brief from the real life clients. You will design the logo based on that brief and send me your design in a private message. After a few days, I will upload a video with my own logo design idea. And finally, I will review your submitted designs and also announce my favorite one. Now you can visit the group link in the description and join the group to practice and polish your skills, share your designs with me, and also compare your design caliber and skills with others. I hope that this video helps you in some way. If it is so, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.